I want you to imagine a giant puzzle, 10,000 pieces scattered across the table. Now imagine trying to solve this puzzle when some of these pieces are missing or damaged. It's nearly impossible, isn't it? That's exactly what happens when genetic mutations occur in our body. A single error in our DNA can disrupt vital protein complexes, resulting in life-threatening genetic diseases. And so these proteins are often known as the building blocks of a body because they perform vital, important cellular functions for various cells and organs. And so when these proteins are damaged, normal functioning of a body is greatly impaired. My research focuses on identifying this damaged or missing proteins in a genetic disease affecting the kidneys. So did you know that our kidneys, they function pretty much like a high-powered filter, clearing nearly 50 gallons of blood every day? And this filtration process relies heavily on an intricate network of proteins that work in perfect harmony. Now a gene mutation occurs, this protein network is completely destabilized, and it results in diseases such as polycystic kidney disease or PKD. PKD is a progressive disease affecting 1 in 400 adults aged 50 and above. And this disease largely results in the formation of multiple cysts on the kidneys. Currently, there is no cure, so the only option that the patient has is to either undergo a kidney transplant or be dependent on dialysis for lifelong. So how do we address this issue of this missing or damaged proteins? I use a cutting-edge technique called BioID that functions pretty much like a molecular detective. It helps us to compare the protein interactions of healthy versus the diseased or unhealthy kidney cells. And once the way it does is that the BioID involves tagging of these proteins, and then with the help of an instrument called mass spectrometer, it helps us to generate an interaction map. By mapping out these protein networks, we can pinpoint exactly which connections are lost due to mutations. Once we identify these weak spots, we can then use targeted drug therapies to restore the balance, much like finding a missing puzzle piece. So my research brings us a step closer to personalized treatments, giving hope to people suffering from PKD disease. Because in the end, it's not just about solving this puzzle, but it's about saving lives. Thank you.